It's time for dessert. That's right. I want to thank the folks at Betty Crocker for making this one possible. I have Anil and Kineta James. They are internet sensations here in TNT and across the world. How many followers you guys have now?
Over 100,000. Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic.
That's on one app.
And how would you describe what you do online in terms of your content?
How would you describe it?
We just show our lives. That's it.
Yeah.
We don't create content.
I give Anna
We are the content.
Anna gives me back, and that's how it goes.
And that's how it goes. What happened when she tried to put tuna in callaloo?
Hello!
Yeah, no, I do my research. Yeah, no, I do my research.
Have you tried it?
No, just one. I
Wait,
talk about it.
Wow.
If I only was, listen to me.
Your mother ever make that for you?
No, I never seen no Chini do that.
No.
I was,
It tastes good.
my brain, I can't even find the words. The girl scrambled everything upstairs.
If I had only known. You cross me, boy. You cross me.
No, but I want you to bring it
So
to me next time you
sorry.
come here.
No problem.
I'm willing to try it.
You should try it. It's delicious.
yeah.
It's
As
delicious.
crazy as it sounds.
You know how many people tried it? Came in the comment section and said they tried it and it tastes delicious.
So we are not doing that.
Try it. Try it.
We're going to make brownies. This safe.
Yeah.
This safe.
Anyhow.
This safe. I want to get you guys involved in this one, huh?
Okay.
But I want to show you the basic recipes are lovely. Do you guys bake? Do you bake?
Now and again.
No one again?
Not often.
So Betty is your new friend, especially Christmas.
She's always my friend.
Betty's your friend?
Easy peasy.
And then I don't want to hear that story. But that's what Betty's about. Betty's about easy peasy. I don't want to hear that. I feel I don't want to hear. So this is a brownie recipe that, I mean, if it is you want to try to do brownies and you feel intimidated, easy like that. I'm not a baker, as you guys know, but since I've been using Betty Crocker, I found where the oven is, right? And I could just use a whole one of this Betty Crocker brownie mix, and I just add some very, very simple things to it. First of all, Anna, close your eyes.
Oil.
A third cup of good vegetable oil. I want a quarter cup of water.
Good.
1 egg. Mix and stir and bring together.
Easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
All of these things you have to prepare for Christmas.
Oh God, this is Christmas brownies.
But I learning.
Look at that. Just like that. A brownie batter.
I knew you were gonna ask.
What is that?
I was just gonna ask you. See?
I can lick this spoon.
I have licked many a spoons doing this. But guys, when it comes together, this is what you want. Rich and thick. Just how we like it, Anna. Rich and thick. Rich and thick. Oh my God, one more time. That's what we're looking for. Rich and thick.
Nice like a pie.
Nice thick pie. All you do here, guys, simple like that, is empty that brownie mixture straight into your pan. So you see my pan, huh?
He ain't leaving at me. I don't
No man, you'll get a little thing,
He's creative.
you'll get a little thing.
You know how you could have licked the bowl?
Watch that Christmas. You must lick a bowl, you know.
You know what's-
Finger. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
You're just hanging around like them potong and them. You're just there waiting for a play. Yeah.
And he is silent.
And he's silent. Happy like Papi, as they say. Right? Spread evenly, guys. And this is your base of your brownie. In the oven for between 30 to 33, 35 minutes thereabouts, and it's perfect. But I'm going to have some fun with Anil and Kineta now. Because we're going to pull together
I bring back so much memories.
so much memories.
Oh boy.
For the lick.
Yeah,
You did.
boss.
The licking is going to continue because we're going to use another product, a rich, creamy frosting from Betty Crocker, and we're going to pull together some frostings. And I want you guys to try to see if you can get your brownies looking like that. So we're going to pull together the frosting to put on these brownies. Kineta is going to help me with this. She has this rich, creamy frosting from Betty Crocker here. Kineta, what I'm going to do is just not ordinary frosting we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking it up a notch.
Okay.
We're going to be doing some Swiss Miss hot cocoa that I'm going to empty in here. And then I'm gonna use this is some warm water, and I just want about 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. That's all. Can I borrow your whisk?
Oh.
And I
You
just
like that too?
you like my whisk.
Yes, I do.
So all we're doing here is getting this like this into one.
Into the consistency.
Yeah. A little more water. I think a little more water. You really don't want much water. You just really want it to come together like this. And then, Kineta, you add about, I would say about half.
About half?
Half of the tub, yeah.
Anna, don't worry about the half. It's all good. It's all good. No need to count calories here. We're good.
Anna, do you count calories all the time?
No.
Day in, day out?
No.
I tend to count proteins more. But
Is it,
just
is it because you don't eat much calories?
that
No, he doesn't eat
calories,
much
I
sweet.
stuff.
Sweet.
Serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, we send the girl like you.
Yeah, we gotta make sure.
we
Grandmother
send
teach you.
Yeah.
All right.
And
So,
and all you do now
Is whisk.
is whisk it in.
I know what she has.
Hopefully you get a color looking something similar
I hope so. It looks like it's coming through.
coming in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, Kenna.
And just like that, Kineta has Betty Crocker
Wanna taste it?
frosting
You wanna taste it?
with some lovely hot cocoa.
You sure don't want to taste it?
I done lick the bowl.
You licked the bowl already.
Some pieces of it.
So I want you guys now to go wild. You have marshmallows, some
So we have to
chocolate.
put this first and then
Yes.
do that.
So you could use the
use the
spatula.
spatula.
Yeah.
Use the spatula, Anna. Come on.
I can spread. You know that.
So this would be cool, as I said, for the couples to do probably Christmas Eve, you know, so that they have some brownies.
I
on
look
Christmas
forward to
Day.
that.
Yeah. Anil is getting involved.
Yeah, boy, that point out, boy. Make it make sense, huh?
Well,
Yes.
but wait, you can hold your hand there, right? Go on. Let me
Hold
see
on,
you.
watch. Look, that dance.
Just
but
take your time.
You
with
didn't
it,
even mix
just-
that properly.
I did. I told you it had some little chunky pieces in it. Just
See, you didn't do good.
don't press too hard on it. Right?
Not pressing too hard, lady.
Okay. I just observe it. Take it
This is
down.
what couples do
Yes,
in the kitchen.
master.
Yeah.
You can put a little more of the icing now.
No, that is enough.
That's enough? You
That's
sure?
enough, that's
You didn't
enough.
get the edges? All
That is
right.
enough. You just spread it.
All right. What are you putting on your... Can we do it half?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, good.
You do half and I do half.
Okay,
Good.
nice.
Go ahead.
Chocolate chips?
Watch down the middle, right? So just remember this half is mine.
Oh, so
Which
you,
half is
you,
yours?
You guys doing half. I
Which
like
half
that.
is yours?
This half.
Which half?
This half. Come on, gosh, man.
I find your side have more icing anyway. Right here. Well, go ahead and do your side.
I want some of this. Is that chocolate, man?
I have the chocolate chips. Right.
So can you tell me some red sugar if it is
I'll
nice?
put a tad.
Your
tad.
side, your side will look like Santa Claus. Go ahead, sprinkle.
Right. No, honestly, my side looks better than yours.
No,
I
no,
just
no.
say, you know? Has a little more
Chocolate does be satisfying.
Christmassy. This has a more Christmassy look to it.
Santa Claus, regular humans. But
I want to thank you both for coming. I really,
Thank you for having us.
I enjoyed the entire day you spent with us here on Couple Joe. Guys, this couple, as I said, when Marla showed them to me and introduced them to me, it really kind of reminded us of ourselves when we were a little younger. I do a lot of the things and I quarrel about a lot of the things that Anil quarrels about. So I identify. I want you guys best on the journey. You guys 8 years married, you said?
Yes.
You seeing what you will be, how you will be spending Christmas?
Yeah.
What
the shrimp for sure.
Yes.
That is going to be a for sure. That is going to be that's a must.
That's a must.
And this could definitely be done.
Anil make sure this hamper is courtesy the folks at Betty Crocker.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I got to take my shirt.
Guys, give them a follow on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, what was the other one? TikTok. They now have their own YouTube channel as well. Anil and Kineta James. It's Anil Kineta James Just find the time on social media and follow them. It's going to be a good follow. Good, wholesome content. They're sharing their lives and making us laugh and making us think as well. Yeah? Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Hey, Copper Joe out. We'll see you back here for more fun, more food. Copper Joe Christmas.